Hey friends, this video shares one of my favorite childhood snacks. It features hearty cassava and creamy coconut milk topped with shredded coconut and crunchy sesame peanut topping. Please join me in this short video and I'll show you how to make this awesome dish. For the ingredients have frozen peeled cassava, coconut milk, sugar, and salt. For the coconut topping, use shredded young coconut or dried coconut flakes. For the sesame peanut topping, have roasted peanuts, sugar, roasted sesame seeds, and salt. Transfer the peanuts into a small food processor and pulse a few times to chop the peanuts. Add the sugar, sesame seeds, and salt. Pulse a few more times, combining the ingredients. Transfer the sesame peanut topping into a small bowl and set aside for now. For convenience, I'm using frozen peeled cassava. I've let it thaw completely. You can use fresh cassava as well. Rinse the cassava with cool water. Pat dry with a towel. Cut the cassava in half lengthwise. A fiber spine runs the length of the vegetable, and if it's visible, go ahead and remove it. If not, no worries, it'll be easier to remove after the cassava is cooked. Cut into chunks or bite-sized pieces. Transfer the pieces into a steamer basket. Add 1 cup water into the inner pot. Transfer the steamer basket with the cassava into the inner pot. Cover with the lid and set the handle to sealing. Set to pressure cook on high for 8 minutes. After the cook time, manually release the pressure. Remove the steamer basket from the inner pot. Check the cassava is cooked by piercing it with a toothpick. It should be soft but not break apart when pierced. Remove the remaining spine. It's really easy to separate now that the cassava is cooked. Pour out the water in the inner pot. Press the sauté button. Into the inner pot, add the coconut milk, sugar, and a pinch of salt. Combine together, dissolving the sugar and salt. When the coconut milk starts to boil, add the cooked cassava. Gently combine together, coating the cassava in the coconut milk. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes, rotating the cassava in the sauce. The sauce will thicken as the liquid evaporates. When there's a thick sauce, press the cancel button to stop the sauté mode. Super easy to make, and you can adjust the amount of coconut milk to your preference. I love a thicker coconut sauce that coats the cassava. To serve the cassava and coconut milk, transfer to a large plate. Add shredded coconut and sprinkle with a generous amount of the sweet and salty sesame peanut topping. The cassava is hearty and mealy, coated with a coconut sauce and topped with shredded coconut and crunchy nuts. It's a really delicious combination. Hi, I hope you've enjoyed this easy how-to video. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to post below. For full recipes, check out RunAwayRice.com. I work on new recipes each week, so please subscribe to my channel to stay tuned. This is Trang wishing you good eating and good health. Thanks for watching.